Introducing Hog Slat's all-new Easy Clean Corner featuring our innovative clean-out door. This transparent door not only permits visual inspection of the system, it also flips down to remove any accumulated debris. The door can be opened to purge spoiled or medicated feed. The Easy Clean door is molded from impact-resistant polycarbonate with 3 toggle latches holding it securely in place. The housing is fabricated from a tough, reinforced polymer with a domed peak to prevent accumulation of water or moisture. Molded metal inserts with rubber seals reinforce critical axle wear points to prevent cracking and eliminate moisture from entering the housing. The secure tongue and groove system with specially designed gaskets seals the housing together with stainless steel fasteners. Specially designed sealing brackets keep the unit hanging straight. The Hog Slat corner also features an upgraded bi-directional cast corner wheel with 2 encapsulated stainless steel ball bearings. This extremely durable wheel can be flipped to operate in either direction to prevent installation errors. See the most trouble-free chain disc corner on the market today at www.hogslat.com.